Are you tired of fad diets that leave you feeling hungry and deprived? Have you ever wondered if there's a sustainable way to eat healthily while enjoying delicious meals? In today's video, we're going to explore the secrets to creating a healthy diet plan that nourishes your body and satisfies your taste buds. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or simply adopt a healthier lifestyle, we've got you covered. We'll break down the essentials of a balanced diet and share practical tips for meal planning. Ready to transform your eating habits and feel your best? Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the basics. A healthy diet is all about balance and variety. Here's what you need to know. Aim to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The more colorful, the better. Each color represents different nutrients. For example, oranges and carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is good for your eyes and immune system, while leafy greens like spinach provide iron and calcium. Choose whole grains like brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread. They provide more nutrients and fiber compared to refined grains. Whole grains help maintain steady blood sugar levels and keep you full longer, reducing the chances of overeating. Incorporate a variety of protein sources such as lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, nuts, and seeds. Plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas are also fantastic options. Proteins are the building blocks of your body, essential for repairing tissues and keeping your immune system strong. Don't shy away from fats, but choose wisely. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are excellent sources of healthy fats. These fats support brain health, hormone production, and cell function. Remember, moderation is key. Include dairy products or fortified plant-based alternatives for calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients are vital for bone health. If you're lactose intolerant or vegan, opt for almond milk, soy milk, or other fortified plant-based options. What's more, planning your meals can make a huge difference in maintaining a healthy diet. Here are some tips to get you started. Take some time each week to plan your meals. This helps you avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Use a calendar or a meal planning app to organize your meals. Plan for a variety of foods to ensure a range of nutrients. Ensure each meal includes a good balance of protein, carbs, and fats. For example, a balanced breakfast might be a smoothie with spinach, banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. Lunch could be a quinoa salad with chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and olive oil dressing. Pay attention to portion sizes. Use smaller plates to help manage your portions if necessary. Understanding portion sizes can prevent overeating. For instance, a portion of meat is about the size of your palm, and a portion of pasta should fit in a cupped hand. Prepare healthy snacks in advance, like sliced veggies, fruits, or nuts, to curb those hunger pangs between meals. Try keeping snack packs of almonds or pre-cut fruits in the fridge. Greek yogurt with a handful of berries makes a quick and nutritious snack. Having a well-stocked kitchen with healthy staples like canned beans, frozen vegetables, and whole grains can help you stick to your plan even on busy days. Next up, let's talk about grocery shopping. Smart choices at the store can set you up for success. The freshest and healthiest foods are often found around the perimeter of the store: fruits, veggies, dairy, and meats. These sections typically contain less processed foods. The middle aisles often have packaged and processed items with added sugars and unhealthy fats. Get into the habit of reading food labels. Watch out for added sugars, unhealthy fats, and high sodium. Ingredients are listed in order of quantity, so if sugar or unhealthy oils are at the top, it's best to avoid those products. Make a shopping list based on your meal plan and stick to it to avoid impulse buys. This not only helps you stay on track with your diet, but also saves money. If you're tempted by a sale on junk food, remember that your health is more valuable. Items like whole grains, nuts, and seeds can often be bought in bulk, saving money and reducing packaging waste. Store them in airtight containers to keep them fresh longer. Also, try to shop seasonal and local produce. They are fresher, often cheaper, and have a lower environmental impact. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know cooking at home is one of the best ways to ensure you're eating healthy? Here are some tips for making nutritious meals. Make healthy swaps like using olive oil instead of butter or Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. For example, you can replace heavy cream in soups with blended cauliflower or cashews to get a creamy texture without the extra fat. Use natural sweeteners like honey or fruit instead of sugar. In baking, try using mashed bananas or applesauce to sweeten your treats. Enhance flavor with spices and herbs instead of relying on salt. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and mint add a burst of flavor and nutrients. Experiment with spices like turmeric, cumin, and paprika to create delicious and healthy dishes. Prepare larger portions and freeze leftovers for quick, healthy meals later in the week. This is especially useful for busy weeknights. Cook a big pot of vegetable soup or chili and freeze it in individual portions. And remember, cooking at home can be fun. Involve your family or friends, try new recipes, and enjoy the process. Don't forget about hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for your overall health. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Keep a water bottle with you to make it easier. If you struggle with plain water, try infusing it with fruits like lemon, lime, or berries, or even herbs like mint and basil. Avoid sugary sodas and juices. If you need a flavor boost, try adding a slice of lemon or cucumber to your water. Sugary drinks can add a lot of unnecessary calories and lead to energy crashes. Unsweetened tea and coffee are fine, but be mindful of added sugars and creamers. Green tea is a great option with its antioxidants, and herbal teas can be a comforting, hydrating alternative. Hydration helps with digestion, skin health, and maintaining energy levels. Make it a habit to drink water regularly throughout the day. Remember, listening to your body is an important part of a healthy diet. Your body knows best. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. It sounds simple, but it's key to maintaining a healthy weight. Try to differentiate between actual hunger and eating out of boredom or stress. Drink a glass of water and wait for a few minutes to see if you're truly hungry. Take your time to enjoy your food. Eating slowly can help you recognize when you're full and prevent overeating. Chew your food thoroughly and savor each bite. This not only aids digestion, but also enhances your eating experience. It's okay to indulge occasionally, but try to understand your cravings and find healthier alternatives. If you're craving something sweet, opt for a piece of dark chocolate or a fruit salad instead of a sugary dessert. Practicing mindfulness with your eating habits can lead to better digestion, satisfaction, and a healthier relationship with food. Finally, let's touch on some special considerations. Everyone's needs are different, and it's important to tailor your diet to suit you. If you have food allergies or intolerances, find suitable alternatives to ensure you get all necessary nutrients. For instance, if you're gluten intolerant, opt for gluten-free grains like quinoa, buckwheat, or rice. Certain conditions, like diabetes or high blood pressure, require specific dietary adjustments. Consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. For diabetes, focus on low glycemic foods that help manage blood sugar levels, like whole grains, legumes, and non-starchy vegetables. If you're following a plant-based diet, make sure you're getting enough protein, iron, and B12 from fortified foods or supplements. Include a variety of plant-based proteins such as lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and tempeh. B12 can be found in fortified cereals and plant-based milks. It's essential to understand your unique dietary needs and consult with healthcare professionals to ensure you're on the right track. There you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to creating a healthy diet plan. Remember, it's all about balance, variety, and listening to your body. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthy, happy life. Comment below with your favorite healthy meal ideas. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.